Hi friends, welcome back to Diane's Paradise and I hope all are doing good. Here is another cake recipe of an eggless banana cake with a finger-licking caramel sauce. This is extremely moist cake and require very basic ingredients. The key to a good banana cake is to use ripe bananas. If you are using large size bananas, then you will require 2 of them, and if you are using smaller ones, then you can use from 3 to 4. Let's see what are the other ingredients we need to make this cake. For the dry ingredients, we need 1¼ cup of all-purpose flour, Maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, quarter teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Sieve the mixture and then add a quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix everything and keep it aside. Now let's move on to the wet ingredients. Here I am taking 4 small size bananas. Mash the bananas using a fork or a spoon or a potato masher with whatever you have. To the mashed bananas, we'll add 3/4 cup of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can add 3/4 cup of powdered regular white sugar. Add them in batches so that the sugar melts completely. If you have a hand blender, here you can use that as well. Now I'm adding 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of melted butter. If you don't want to add butter, you can add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then goes 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix all the ingredients and here goes 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add the dry ingredients in batches and fold the mixture together. If you feel the mixture is little thick, then you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of more milk to it. Here my batter looks a little thick, so I'm adding about 1 tablespoon more of milk. Combine and then add some chopped nuts of your choice. Here I'm adding raisins and almonds. If you have walnuts, it will really go well with this cake. Add them as well. Here I'm using a 4-inch cake tin and I have already oiled and dusted the tin. Here I'm not using a parchment paper at the bottom. The trick to this is already been shared in my carrot cake video. You can check there. And also I am going to bake this on a gas top oven, and I have shown in many of my previous videos how you can prepare a gas top oven. You can refer those videos. This will bake for 15 minutes on medium flame and 30 minutes on low flame. Do not open and check your cake for at least 40 minutes of baking. Once you see the cake is leaving the pan from the sides is when you know the cake is baked. You can even insert a skewer and check. If the skewer is coming out clean, it means the cake is done. Take it out on a wire rack to cool down. Cover the cake with a cloth so that the cake won't dry out from the top. Now let's prepare the caramel sauce. For this I am taking 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can take regular white sugar as well. And then I am using 2 medium-sized bananas which I am going to caramelize in the caramel sauce. To the sugar add 1 teaspoon of water. Keep the flame medium and let the sugar dissolve completely. Once all the sugar is melted, we can add 1 tablespoon of butter to it. Once the butter starts to melt, add 1 teaspoon of milk or cream, also a pinch of salt and few drops of vanilla extract. Mix and cook until the mixture becomes a little thick. Do not make it too thick because once they'll cool down, they'll become more thicker. So once you have a good caramel sauce, you can drop the banana pieces to it and cook for about 1 minute until the banana gets a little soft and coated well with the caramel sauce. The cake is also cool. I have transferred it on a plate. Drop the caramelized bananas along with the sauce all over the cake. You can save the leftover caramel sauce in an airtight container in the fridge, and whenever you will need them, just microwave for 20 seconds and drizzle over your favorite dessert. Our eggless banana cake with caramelized banana and sauce is absolutely ready. Let me slice and show you how it looks from inside. If you're liking this recipe, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, then welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button and press all so that you get notified whenever I come up with new video. Drizzle some more caramel sauce on the cake slices if you wish, and enjoy. Hope you all liked the video. See you all soon with another exciting recipe. Till then, take care and bye bye.